Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best compact appliances available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WINIA WOR07R3ZEM Retro Microwave. WINIA WOR07R3ZEM will be a small microwave with a classic retro design that adds some style to your kitchen. Its 700-watt capacity is one of the most efficient ratings of power for microwaves, as well as its zero-on function kicks off automatically after 10 minutes of no use to shut off power, helping to reduce standby power. With just 0.7 cubic inches, it is able to take care of all meals. The interior space measures around 11.5 and 11.5 inches, without taking up enough counter space. The traditional microwave is available in 4 colors, including red, mint cream, light blue. It also has an LED display and a digital clock. At number 4 is the Breville BOV800XL Smart Oven Convection Toaster Oven. If your house is powered by solar energy, conventional ovens could eat up quite a bit of energy. This is why a lot of people opt for a top-of-the-line countertop such as this convection oven. Breville's smart oven can toast, bake, broil, and roast, which means you can create pizza, cookies, and casseroles, as well as roast vegetables. There aren't any knobs or buttons that can take grease or crumbs, making it incredibly simple to wash. Its dimensions are 18.5 by 15.711 inches and weighs 22.5 pounds. At number 3 on our list is the Homelabs Compact Laundry Dryer. If you're not blessed with space to dry your clothes but don't want to take frequent, uninspiring trips to the nearest laundromat, the Homelabs Compact Laundry Dryer is an excellent alternative. With 3.2 cubic feet of space, this dryer is 50% the space of a conventional dryer and can accommodate as much as 13.2 pounds of clothes. The dryer is able to be as a freestanding unit, rack-mounted, wall-mounted, or stackable. The front-loading dryer comes with 5 drying options that include extra, smart mix, airing, and an option to timer. It comes with a stainless steel drum as well as a 3-layer filter. It is 60 pounds in weight and operates with a 110/120 volt power source. Moving up at number 2 is the Rinnai RL75EP Hot Water Heater. Hot water tankless heaters are able to warm the water while it flows through pipes, which means there's no danger that you'll be using all the water up that's stored in the tank. They're also efficient in heating water as necessary. In addition, the Rinnai RL75EP has been certified as Energy Star qualified. The sturdy heater is able to last more than twice the life of the traditional tank and can warm as many as 4 kitchen appliances, such as dishwashers or showers. The added attributes include Wi-Fi technology, which lets it be responsive to voice-controlled commands, and security settings that turn the heater off when it detects leaks or any unintended temperature fluctuations. The heater is able to be put on any wall outside and will not take up space in the house. At number 1 is the Cosmo 640 STXE 24 inches gas cooktop. If you love cooking on gas, but you wish to make space for it, then the Cosmo gas cooktop is the best choice. With a size of only 22 by 20 inches, the Cosmo can be described as a drop-in gas stovetop that has 4 different burners sealed. It allows you to simmer, sauté, boil, or simmer simultaneously, in various sizes of pans. The stainless steel surface is simple to wash and provides the appearance of a modern kitchen, while the cast iron cooking grate are made to last. Installation is required for drop-in burners, and you'll require gas lines as well as an electrical power source. It can, however, be converted to propane using an accessory kit. Keep in mind that gas cooktops are powered by fossil fuels and typically contribute more to the warming of the planet than electric options, particularly electric cooktops that are powered by renewable sources. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.